Welcome to Jothi Silambam Kshakthiriya Gurukulam. We are offering some courses right now because we are offering some weight loss courses because people already doing. Some of them telling I'm doing my part so long time. I'm doing Karalakattai so long time. I'm not lost any body weight or cholesterol or fat or carb, everything. So this is a right time for coming for right climate and right diet and right exercise for doing for the weight loss programs. So we are doing weight loss classes. We started on 15th April or 1st May. So people who are interested, you can join. And these classes we can train 2-day class, and we teaching about all the organs. This is a very hot climate, and we can easily burn our cholesterol, burn our carb, and burn vitamins, excess of vitamins, excess of protein. We can burn all of it. But most people are afraid of hot and summer. So they went to the air conditioned rooms. So forgot about the air conditions. Just be 2 or 3 times a shower and try to take a cold diet. What are the diet giving you, cooling your agent diet. And the diet also we're teaching about the way exercise who detox your body, complete body like a liver, lungs and the kidney. So this is the right part of exercise for summertime. People who are interested in joining in the classes, and below the video we have put the contact and the flyers. You can follow our classes. Thank you.